Jules Verne was born in 1828 in France. He is the most famous science fiction novelist in the world. He has 5 main novels translated into 148 languages. They are A Trip to the Moon, Journey to the Center of the Earth, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Around the World in 80 Days, 5 Weeks in a Balloon. He was called as a science fortune teller in his life and after. He predicted submarines, oxygen tube, space travel, spaceship in his novels, which doesn't exist in his century. People gave name to inventions, which is called in his books. He is also called as a scientist because many things about space was invented because of him. Mars, Moon, space, oceans and other planets are discovered by the inspirations of Jules Verne's novels. Because the children who read Jules Verne became scientists, researcher, inventor or just a simple curious. He died in 1905. After he died, many books of him was printed. The last printed book is Paris in 20th Century in 1994. He inspired many people. There are 8 inventions that came true by Jules Verne. They are electric submarine, newscasts, solar sails, lunar models, skywriting, video conferencing, tasers, spacecraft. We all thank Jules Verne for his big inspirations. He put a big brick to the wall of the future.